How to share the PowerPoint presentation on email in your mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to share your PowerPoint presentation that you have prepared on your mobile, here are two ways by which you can send it on email. So let's start with the first method. For this, open your PowerPoint and then the presentation that you want to share. Tap on the share button from the bottom right corner and then you will see this option. Either you can directly click on add a name, group or email and then add a message and directly send it to the other person, or what you can do is click on send a copy. This will prepare the file in PPTX format and then give you the share option. Then after, you have to tap on Gmail and in the to section write in the email address of the person you want to send and tap on the send button. Likewise, for next option, you can tap on three dots of the presentation and click on Save As. Once you do so, you have to export it in ODP format. Once you have exported in your device, you can now open your Gmail again and follow the same step, that is, attach this file on your email and send it to the person you would like to send on the email. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.